In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix continuous loading error while trying to confirm your order or make payment on Shein shopping app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're at the confirmation stage and you're only getting this continuous loading, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to go back and ensure that you have enough funds in your wallet to confirm your payment. However, if that's not the case, then most likely your Shein app might have experienced a glitch. For that, we need to troubleshoot your app. You can do this by going to your smartphone and look for settings, and from settings go down to apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Shein, and if you tap on it, this will take you to Shein app info page. Here, go to for stop app and OK. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue, this error. Then go to clear data and clear cache, OK, and clear all data. Restart your smartphone, and now once you have restarted your smartphone, make sure you have a strong network connection, and if you have any VPN app or any security app installed on your smartphone, turn it off or uninstall before you can open and proceed with your payment or placing your order on Shein app. However, should this not work, then you want to proceed and check if we have any update for your Shein app by going to Google Play Store if you're on Android like me, or App Store if you're on iPhone. Then update your Shein shopping app to the latest version. At this point, now everything should be working. However, if you still encounter the same problem, try using Shein web version. If it still fails, then most likely Shein might have experienced internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes. Now try using Shein online shopping app and everything should be okay. Let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, please comment below. Otherwise, let's meet in the next video.